Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by working clean and efficient. Wash your hands and the mushrooms, then slice them about 0.5 to 1 cm. Heat 1 tablespoon olive oil in a medium pot and add the chopped onion and 2 cloves garlic. Sweat them gently so they soften without browning. Once the onion is translucent, add the sliced mushrooms and a pinch of salt to draw out moisture. This concentrates flavor and prevents a watery soup. Make sure to stir so nothing sticks, and keep heat moderate to preserve nutrients. Once the mushrooms have released their juices, pour in 1 liter low-sodium broth and add a bay leaf and 1/2 teaspoon dried thyme. Bring to a gentle simmer. You want to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes so the mushrooms become tender and the flavors meld, but avoid aggressive boiling, which strips delicate aromas. If the person prefers a smoother texture, blend half the soup. If they need more comfort, leave it chunky. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning very conservatively for a sensitive palate. You finish by adding 2 tablespoons plain yogurt or 1 tablespoon butter to enrich the texture. Warm the soup gently and avoid boiling so dairy doesn't separate. Once done, ladle lukewarm portions into small bowls and serve with a spoon-safe bowl and water on the side to help swallowing. Make sure to observe appetite and temperature. If the soup seems bland, a small squeeze of lemon brightens it, whereas if it's too thin, reduce it on low heat for 5 to 10 minutes to concentrate flavors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.